Ever since I was a little girl, I wanted to help others. That's why I became a nurse. But I didn't stop there. I worked to advance my education to provide better care for my patients and support them in every step of the way. Getting my doctorate from ACU showed me I can accomplish anything I put my mind to and inspired me to dream. Now I serve others as a nurse practitioner. So I was born here, but I was raised in Louisiana. I've been here about 10 years now. So we were a real close-knit family. We all lived kind of in the same area, walking distances. My grandparents were right across the street from me. My parents were there. My aunts were up the street. So my grandfather, he had diabetes. I was a kid. I would watch him give himself insulin injections, and then he taught me how to do it as well. So he just showed me like what to do, how you grab the stomach, and he showed me how to draw up the insulin. And he allowed me to do it. And I was only in the first grade when that happened. So that was definitely a defining moment for me when I look back. So I was at a conference as I was getting my master's degree. And there I met Dr. McGee. And she was talking to students, mentioning that, 1% of nurses have their doctorate degree. So I'm like, yeah, I definitely want to be in that number. I, applied and I was accepted, and the rest is history. I'm so glad I chose to go to ACU because it was life-changing for me. I was brought up in the church. They always instilled in us, train up a child in the way he should go, and when he's old, he won't depart from it. So that's how that came about. So of course, in the beginning, you're just taught these different things, but as life starts happening, you discover that you can do different things. You can do all things through Christ who gives you strength. And by every degree or whatever I've ever done, you learn it more and more every time. What can I do that I actually want to do that God gives me the strength to accomplish? So it wasn't always in me, but ever since I can remember, of course, it's been instilled in me. So that's just my can-do attitude, because up to this point, I haven't tried to do anything that I didn't get accomplished. So it kind of just makes your faith just grow by knowing, okay, I've tried this and I've succeeded. So I've been to several different colleges, universities, and by far this was the most different. Not only because I was all online, but you get these encouraging scriptures every week. That says a lot of you're a faith-based person already, because sometimes you won't feel like moving forward. You won't feel like that you can go on. You're tired. You just, defeated at some point. But to get that, someone's going to be advising you monthly that what your plan is. Someone is going to be sending you scriptures to kind of motivate you, to have teachers who actually care. If you're looking for something like that while you're pursuing a degree, I would definitely say choose ACU, because that matters. Especially if you're faith-based, you're Christian-led, this is a Christian university. They stand by it. These are the values, and they uphold them to the highest degree, I would say. So definitely, if you're thinking of choosing a college, I would say choose ACU.
Pursue your undergraduate or graduate degree online at Abilene Christian University.